Mammy Rock, the Granny DJ.
Ruth Flowers is not an ordinary grandmother. She's in her 70s and has silver hair and bright red lipstick. She's a DJ and works in clubs in Europe and tours festivals. She lives alone in Bristol. She says,
"I've got a son and a grandson. They think what I'm doing is very cool."
She likes rock bands, such as Queen and the Rolling Stones, but she also plays electro and dance music.
"I love being with young people,"
she says.
"They've got so much energy and enthusiasm."
She's planning another European tour and is currently making a new single.
"I'm having a lot of fun,"
she says.
"I don't want it to stop."
The Super Jam Millionaire.
Fraser Doherty is an extraordinary young man. He has his own company, Super Jam, which he started when he was just 16.
"I earn more money than my parents,"
he says. His company makes jam, 500,000 jars every year, using a secret recipe from his grandmother. All the major supermarkets sell his products. The business is growing fast. 4 flavors at the moment, but more on the way. And he has a charity that organizes huge tea parties for old people, with live music and dancing.
"At the moment I'm very busy. I'm writing a cookbook. I've got an idea for a TV program, and we're trying to get into the American market."